Hi guys, welcome to the Advent, and this is Nixon. Today we are going to solve a new problem from GeeksforGeeks, Pairwise swap of nodes in linked list. Given a linked list of n positive integers, you need to swap elements pairwise. Our task is to complete the function pairwise_swap. So let me explain this problem, guys. Initially we will be given a linked list with n number of nodes, whether the n may be odd or even. And we have to initially we have to find whether the given number of nodes is odd or even. If the given number of nodes provided in that linked list is odd, we are going to leave the last value in that linked list. And if the number of nodes in the linked list is even, we are just going to do the pairwise swap of each nodes. Let's solve this problem, guys. I'm creating a current node here, and then I'm checking current node equal to null, and in this case it will be run until the last even nodes. This case is used to traverse our loop until the last even node, so that we can able to get our expected result. I'm creating a temporary value here which takes the data of the current node, and current data equal to current dot next data current dot next data equal to temp. And then I'm going to double shift the current value. If the current value is here, I'm going to double shift. It will be moving to here. So this is what I'm going to do here. Go to next, and then I'm going to return node here. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, guys, let's select the problem. Yes, guys, and the problem is successful. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to the Advent, and if you had any suggestions, please don't hesitate to comment us, guys. Bye bye. Thank you.